welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. So today in this video we are going to see what is lesson plan, why do we make it, and basically I'm going to tell you how to make our lesson plan. So if you're watching me for the first time, then I do make video regarding b.ed. You can like, share and subscribe my channel for more b.ed related videos. So let's get started. Let's see what is lesson plan and why do we make lesson plan. So here you can see I have several lesson plan. So I have like more than 200 lesson plan on my channel. You can check that on my channel. Like I have videos related to various topic, various subject. It could be Hindi, English, SST, history, science, computer also. So you can check that on my channel. So yeah, let's see what is lesson plan and why do we make lesson plan. So before going to like any kind of, if we are going to any examination, what we do is we do prepare for that. If we are going to give exam for any particular, like if you are going to give exam of like any, suppose if you are going to give exam of CTET or whatever. So what we do is we do first prepare. So preparation is very important for any exam. So the same thing happens with lesson plan also. So teacher first has to practice it themselves. Like before teaching it to students, what teacher do is teacher first try to prepare for that. So they make a rough format for that, and that is known as basically lesson planning. So we have already discussed why is it necessary, why is it important to make lesson plan before proceeding, because teacher first has to practice it themselves. So this is the lesson plan, and I have chosen. So this is interdependence of living things, and you can check this lesson plan on my channel, and you can check with basically playlist of various of my lesson plan. So here you can see this is the first page of our lesson plan. So here whatever our specific objectives are, what we basically want to teach to students, teaching aids. Like teaching aids could be like, it could be anything, like it could be flex chart, it could be model, it could be chart, whatever. And specific objectives also, like whatever our objectives are, whatever our aims are behind teaching those content or those topic, we have to mention here. So this would be the first lesson plan, and in this this would be the first page, and here we have to explain all the objectives and what are our aims behind teaching this topic. We have to mention that. Now here you can see this is the tricky part of our lesson plan. This is known as introduction part. So here what we have to do is we have to kind of like, we have to ask a question related to like whatever our topic is. We have to kind of like make question, and we have to ask it in front of students, and question should be from simple to complex, easy to difficult. So 5 question would be enough. Do not add more than that, because it would be time consuming for student as well as for teacher also. So here you can see list of the questions that we can basically ask to students. After that we have to teach our topic. So friends, you know what, in introduction part, what we basically have to do is we have to choose questions, like 4 to 5 questions we have to choose, and we have to ask it to students. So we have to also follow some rules, and that is behind making this lesson plan or this introduction part. So first would be like, question should be from simple to difficult, and we have to like, only we can add 5 question, that would be enough. And also one more thing is, do not add, like we can add only one yes or no question. We cannot add like 3 or 4 yes or no question. We just can add only one yes or no question would be enough. So like, here it is interdependence of living things. So our question, what would be our question? We can like ask to students, who makes food for you? Teacher has to ask, who makes food for you? Then student will ask, our mom makes food for us. After that, second question would be, what is your favorite veg food? So student will answer whatever their veg favorite foods are. After that, where does all these fruits and vegetables come from? They will answer this comes from plants basically. What is your favorite non-veg food? They will try to answer. So where does all these like non-veg food that you eat comes from? They will say that it comes from animals. So last question would be, so do you think we depend on animal and plant for our food? Then student will answer yes, or it could be problematic also. So that way we have to ask a question to students. So in introduction part we have to kind of we have to uh, follow all these rules, and after that only we have to announce our topic. We have to say, students, I'm going to teach you topic interdependence of living things. So friends, this was for today, and